And we are starting with some breaking news coming in at top of this hour after the seizure of nearly 3,000 kilograms of drugs from the Mundra port in Gujarat. The Adani Group has now issued a trade advisory stating that the port will no longer accept or handle containers from Iran, Pakistan and Afghanistan with effect from November 15. Certainly a big update coming in. Let me now go across to my colleague Priyanka, who is also joining us on this broadcast. Yes, Priyanka, certainly a massive update coming in after the seizure of over almost 3,000 kilos of drugs that were seized from the Mundra port. Now it has been announced by the Adani Group that they will no longer accept any or handle any containers from Iran, Pakistan and Afghanistan as well.
Well, definitely a massive development that we are seeing, a massive statement, in fact, given by the Adani Group, claiming that now no imports from containers, in fact, imported from Iran, Afghanistan and Pakistan will be handled at the Mundra port, which means that the imports that are being done in these containers will have to be shifted to other ports, perhaps towards Mumbai or else towards the Saurashtra side of Gujarat as well, or else towards the Hazira port. Now, this will also add to the logistics problem, but as you had pointed out earlier, that because of the drug bust that was carried out by DRI, around 3,000 kg of heroin, which was valued up to 20,000 crores of heroin that was being smuggled from Afghanistan via Iran to Mundra port, that was intercepted by the Directorate of Revenue Intelligence at the Mundra port, after which now the Adani Group has taken this decision that till 15th of November they will be going on as per usual, but after 15th of November they will not be handling at the Mundra port any containers coming from Iran, Afghanistan and Pakistan. This also becomes very, very important to note because a massive drug haul that usually comes and is smuggled from these three countries specifically, because it is not just the Mundra port. There are several other boats that had been intercepted by the DRI, by the Indian Coast Guard, by the ATS as well, where they were smuggling heroin, and that's a massive problem at the Gujarat port, including that of the Mundra port. In this particular shipment that was being smuggled under the garb of talc powder, talc stones that were being brought into Gujarat via Mundra port. Of course, which is why they have now taken this decision that none of the containers from these three countries will be taken. Majorly the shipments that come from Iran are that from the Bandar Abbas port, where this particular shipment had also come from, and that is why the DRI had also carried out an investigation into the entire matter as to where this heroin was being brought in from Afghanistan via land to Iran, and then from Iran to Gujarat, and in the waters, in the high seas as well. There was some interception done by Pakistan as well. So all of these countries where most of the drug, most of the heroin, most of the other illicit substances as well are smuggled into the country. That is why Mundra port, Adani Group in fact has taken this decision pertaining to the Mundra port, claiming that they will not be accepting these containers. As far as the investigation goes, the DRI has carried out their investigation into the entire matter. They have looked into several links that have come out from Coimbatore, be it from Hyderabad, be it from Jammu and Kashmir, be it from Delhi. All of these peddlers, all of these middlemen that they had intercepted had been interrogated, their questioning had been done, and most of the links had been found from Afghanistan, a kingpin that had been found from Afghanistan as well, following which this decision that we see by the Adani Group to not handle any containers coming from these three countries. Yes, Acha.
All right, thank you so much, Priyanka, for getting us that latest update. So after the